go walk the trail, babe. Gonna go see a waterfall. Woohoo!
2 waterfalls.
2.
The first one's Angel Falls, and the second one is Panther Falls, which is about
1.5 miles.
a mile and a half.
Yeah.
What we need walking.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's not 1.5 miles. Look here. It's a 1/2 mile.
Angel Falls.
Is Angel Falls is 1 mile? Oh,
1 and 1/2.
okay. Let's do it.
What's these falls right here?
I don't know. That's part of.
Falls look.
Mm-hmm.
And it's bigger. Panther Falls is the other one back here. That's what it says. So I guess it's point one, but it's right here.
Okay. This trail is not for the handicap. Too many roots and bumps and holes and all kinds of trip hazards. I know. Another trail there. We're going this way.
Maybe it's coming in from another part of the campground.
I love the sound of a waterfall.
Trail man.
You think?
Heavily used freight.
Yeah. Huh. Wow. Yeah. Woo. Lots of roots. Wow. Yeah, I'm good. Seriously. It's a little humid out here, folks. Ooh. Getting air going up through here, folks.
Here it is. See what came through here.
Almost there.
Between two little mountains here.
Whew.
That clear trees right there.
Oh yeah. It's up there, people. Sweet. Okay.
Down there makes this one look smaller than the Panther Falls.
Yeah.
This thing's way bigger.
Here we go, people. We're almost there. The reason it feels like it's a lot of work is because it's straight uphill. Straight uphill. Whew. I love the rock formation.
I bet when it rains.
There's a lot of water coming off of there.
When it
Woo.
rains. Your pants all dirty.
Yeah, I don't care. It's the sound that makes it so relaxing.
Big rain, and that water will be like Sliding Rock Falls. And there is a loop you can go up that trail there, up and around to the top of it, but I ain't hiking that, just to look down. I don't even see a lookout up there.
All right, back to camp we go. Woohoo! There.
That was a nice little roll up there.
Oh, I'm telling you.
So,
Woo.
we got a little sweaty, y'all. It's about 85. So,
Yeah.
but I mean, the cool air coming off the creek here is pretty nice. This is Angel Falls behind us. We went up to Panther Falls.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, it was kind of fun. What do you think, Miss Sharon?
Sure enough. Sure enough. It's great to be outside hiking again. Woohoo!
Yeah, at least we're not in the
Love
90s, high 90s and hundreds. So this is more like what we like to do and share it with y'all. We just do what we do and hope y'all enjoy it.
That's
So
it.
we're here in Georgia. We're working our way further north, and we're just gonna stay here for maybe about a week. We're checking it out. It's an old forestry campground, national forest, should I say, National Park campground. It's a
Right.
whole one. It was built back in, part of it back in the 30s. But it's a nice park. A lot of old trees here. And we got some big old trees here, old growth. It's really nice. Thank you all for watching the videos, and hope you enjoyed this one of our little hike, and she'll be posting it up, let you know what we're up to. Have a good one, folks. Happy trails.